Hello and welcome to UberPad, India's first smart AV e-commerce store. Today we're doing a feature roundup of Name's second generation Muso series, a range of premium wireless multi-room speaker systems. These award-winning speakers are jam-packed with features to deliver a truly superior listening experience. Before we deep dive more into their offerings, please subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Now, let's get to it. This series from Name has two models, the Muso Classic, which sports a soundbar-like appearance, and the Muso QB, which flaunts a cube design. There are many overlapping features in both models. We'll look at those first. The Muso speakers integrate dual-band 2.4 or 5 GHz Wi-Fi, which brings in internet connectivity for wireless streaming. The Muso second generation speakers can work standalone or part of a multi-room music setup. There are three easy ways to make multi-room happen. First, you can combine it with other network Naim products including first generation Muso and Muso QB via the updated Naim app available for Android and iOS devices. Or you can pair it with Apple AirPlay 2 compatible wireless speakers via the Apple Home app. Finally, you can also pair it with Chromecast devices via groups controlled by the Google Home app. This seamless connectivity along with Bluetooth also brings in effortless streaming from many popular internet radios such as Spotify Connect, Tidal and more. It also brings in voice automation via Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. The Muso speakers are also compatible with Room, a new age music player for audio files. One of the standout features of both Muso and Muso QB is a backlit control interface with 15 touch sensitive buttons and a large volume dial that lets you take full control of the speakers. The Muso speakers are jointly developed by Name and Francis Focal Audio. Both the models have a three-way vented design, multiple premium grade drivers, and multi-core DSP to deliver a rich and full-range sound output. The Muso Classic is rated to deliver up to 450 watts while the Muso QB delivers up to 300 watts output. This means the speakers are incredibly loud and clear and deliver a room-filling sound. For an improved sound output, the Muso speakers also integrate loudness control for intelligent bass and treble boost, along with room compensation to tailor the sound to best suit your room. For input connectivity, the rear panels of both the models integrate digital optical SPDIF, 3.5mm jack, and an Ethernet port for internet connectivity, as well as playback from network-attached storage devices. The soundbar like Muso also integrates an HDMI input with ARC and CEC support to connect your TV. There is also a USB port on the back panel of the Muso QB and on the side panel of the Muso. This port lets you connect pen drives and enjoy high-res music playback from formats such as WAV, FLAC, AIFF, ALAC to name a few. Both the models are housed in an enclosure made from premium grade aluminum and are draped in a fabric grille. Additionally, the standard black grille can easily be swapped with one of the three new color options that can be purchased separately. The Muso speakers can be operated using a remote control or the Name app available for Android and iOS devices. All in all, the Muso series speakers are ideal for audiophile grade wireless multi-room music listening in your home. For more information on the best pricing, warranty and availability of the Name Muso series speakers, get in touch with UberPad support. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for more such interesting and informational videos. Thank you for watching.